Silly Skinner Sisters, and today we're going to do another slime challenge, but it has a twist. Elle is going to be picking from this box. This is my name on it. And Elle's going to be picking from this box, and then whatever it says, I'm going to put it in my slime. So hopefully I get glue, and then we're just going to activate it. Wait, should I close my eyes and pick it? Yeah, close your eyes. Okay. I'm not gonna be in. So I thought. And our stuff is over there, so I'm very excited. Last time I turned out with a really pretty purple and pink one, so I am so excited to do this again.
Did you put makeup on today?
No. Okay, you ready? I can't. Okay, let's say red food color. I get to add as much as I want. So, red food coloring. And
So do I just put it to the side, or do I mix it in?
I put it to the side. Okay. And
No, I knew that was gonna happen.
And Elle's gonna pick 5 of those. Okay. So 5 of these. So this is 1. Clear glue. Yay! Where's the glue? It's gonna turn out. It's in the pantry. This is what it looks like right now. So we have Crazy A clear glue. So I can add as much as I want. So I'm excited. Yes.
As much as you please. Well, not really as much as you please, but it's probably enough.
We'll just put that aside. Over there. Number 2. I want to mix it in first. It's going to turn pink.
It looks like a marble color.
It looks like glass. Oh, I think you're going to like this because it's probably going to turn pink.
Oh yeah, it's already turning pink.
Looks really good, like you're whisking an egg. So, do you want to do the third one?
Purple food color. No, I wanted it to be pink.
I wanna get like
full.
purple food coloring. Oh, it's gonna go away.
Don't put too much.
Oh my gosh, that does every time. Go get me a napkin. Oh my gosh, yes. This thing comes off of every single food coloring thing. It is so annoying. Like so annoying. Just don't like this, guys. Please. Just wipe the glue off.
Towels.
Okay.
That's. I wanted it to be pink.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it in.
Turned a dark color.
It's gonna be.
But actually,
This is pretty.
it smells so bad.
That's the glue. It looks like maroon. Okay, 4th one.
You're gonna have to need activator. Or lotion or something.
Shaving can do clear glue.
Why'd you put 2 clear glues?
I already have glue. Okay, go get it.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's right there.
Oh yeah.
Don't put too much. Yeah.
It's that much. There's like, it looks like there's a white dot in it. I'm gonna mix it it in.
Okay, you can do
lighter
to
the
it.
fifth one.
She's gonna have to need activator or something.
Yeah, we're just gonna activate at the end.
White glue.
Fine, go get it. It just ruined this line. It's like so pretty, and then the white glue is gonna make it terrible. So I'm just gonna have a little, so it doesn't like. Yeah, it's probably gonna turn white.
Baby.
I wanted to put in like.
Can we do more than 5 maybe?
8, 6, 7. About 7. Okay, so go pick another one.
Okay, put so yellow glitter.
Okay. Okay, this is very interesting. Turned out very interesting. Ew. Yellow glitter.
Excited for yellow glitter.
You put glitter. Looks so.
Don't put too much.
Too much, not too much. Yellow glitter.
Too much.
Okay, pick another one.
Oh, okay, one more.
Okay, this is the last one. Foam beads. I wanted foam beads. And it looks like throw up. Ew.
Yeah. Oh,
Lights. And
I should have clapped and then turned on.
it looks very pink.
Oh, I just want to put my hand
Yeah.
in here. Last one.
I thought that was going to be shaving cream. Okay, that's probably enough.
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to put my hand in here. Ew, this looks very weird.
It looks like brains.
Ew, don't tell me that. Yeah, it looks like that. Do you get the activator?
It feels so good. What's the activator?
It's in there. Stuff, blue stuff.
The blue bottle, the big blue bottle.
Yeah.
Wait. Just put it in there.
This looks so weird.
Magic.
Stuff blue.
It says off.
A lot of stuff. So I want to activate it really quick.
It feels so good. And I just put your.
You take off my hair tie so it doesn't fall in.
That'd be weird if it fell.
We're gonna need more of this stuff.
It's almost gone.
It making like
It
watery. Like
Julie,
but
you said
it's-
it making like
Whatever. Can you get me the like the other activator, Elle? Can you get me the other activator?
like shaving foam.
Look. It's sort of coming together. It is coming together. Yay! It's like, do you see that? Slime in the glue.
Brains. Disgusting.
It's so weird. Just adding more. Look how weird it is. Like, it's so weird. Slime inside of the glue. It's weird, so weird. But it's coming together. Looks so weird.
Look at the tongue, Julie.
So, thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed. this slime challenge, and this is the slime. It's pink with foam beads with yellow glitter in it. So I hope you enjoyed today's slime making and watch more of ours because they're really funny. And I hit the end. Yeah.
Bye.